How much money did you make your first week of driving for Instacart?
Oh my goodness. Okay.
When did you start?
Oh my gosh, what year is it? 2022? I started honestly when COVID started. And I had
2019.
Yeah, and I had heard from Instacart from a friend, and I was like, okay, might as well, not working, not doing anything else. My first day, I only made 30 bucks.
Wait, so when people were like afraid to go to the grocery stores, that's when you were like, I'm gonna go into
Oh yeah, oh yeah, I seized the opportunity.
Oh, okay, and how much did you make?
My first day, 30 bucks, because I was trying to figure out how it worked. But then once
Well, we're gonna get into your first day in a second. We're gonna start with your first week though.
My first week, I want to say I made, after that, like 400 a day.
400 per day?
I was going crazy.
For a week straight?
For a week straight.
So your very first week?
Yep, my very first week.
So your very first week you made over $2,000?
Yes, but I would wake up at 6:30 because my grocery store opened at 7, and I would refresh at 6:30. That's when the batches came in, and then wait until I got one over like 70 bucks.
Oh my god.
And then I would be working more than 12-hour days, you guys, until the last grocery store closed.
If you want to make over $2,000 a week, you gotta work how many hours a day?
More than 12, at least 12.
You gotta hustle like her, okay? She's a hustler. I'll put your link down below to your Instagram too, by the way.
Okay, cool.
Or should I?
Yeah, why not?
So you made over $2,000 in your first week. What was your reaction like? Were you just like, this is crazy?
Yeah, it was the most money I think I'd made in a week for a long time. So I was just money hungry.
Money hungry.
I would not eat. I was barely sleeping because I couldn't wait to wake up, like literally 6
wow.
the next morning.
Couldn't wait to wake up.
No,
how crazy is that? And dang, I got so many questions for you. I want to know like what car were you driving, like what areas you were going to, like you stick to any grocery stores.